members of the grand jury sitting in Jefferson County in the month of September. I also have with me today a representative of the Office of the Attorney General, our court administrator. For the information of the public and anyone observing who's not familiar with the process, once the report is received from the grand jury, if there are any indictments, I will ask the foreperson to randomly select a number. The case will then be assigned to the courtroom or division that corresponds with the number that has been selected by the foreperson, and the courtroom will, that case or those cases will then proceed in those courtrooms assigned for further proceedings. The indictment itself, that is to say the charging document in this case, will be transmitted to the Jefferson County Clerk's office. It will be recorded and made publicly available through that office. And so I will begin the report of the Jefferson County Grand Jury. In the matter of Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Brett Hankison, the Jefferson County Grand Jury charges as follows. Count 1, wanton endangerment in the first degree. On or about March 13th, 2020 in Jefferson County, Kentucky, the above named defendant, Brett Hankison, committed the offense of wanton endangerment in the first degree when, under circumstances manifesting extreme indifference to human life, he wantonly shot a gun, into the apartment occupied by initials CE. Count 2, wanton endangerment in the first degree. On or about March 13th, 2020 in Jefferson County, Kentucky, the above named defendant, Brett Hankison, committed the offense of wanton endangerment in the first degree when, under circumstances manifesting extreme indifference to human life, he wantonly shot a gun into the apartment occupied by initials CN. Count 3, wanton endangerment in the first degree. On or about March 13th, 2020, in Jefferson County, Kentucky, the above named defendant, Brett Hankison, committed the offense of wanton endangerment in the first degree when, under circumstances manifesting extreme indifference to human life, he wantonly shot a gun into an apartment occupied by initials ZF against the peace and dignity of the Commonwealth of Kentucky. Mr. Foreperson, is that the decision of the grand jury?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. Sir, if you would please randomly select a number.
Megan, this goes back to the chief's firing letter.
Division 13.
Division 13. Thank you, sir. The case will then be assigned to Jefferson Circuit Court, Division 13. Madam Assistant Attorney General, do you have a motion with respect to bond?
Yes, Your Honor. The Assistant Attorney General asks for $15,000 full cash bond for the defendant, Brett Hankison.
I will grant the motion and assign bond in the amount of $15,000 full cash and issue a warrant. That concludes the business of the grand jury sitting for Jefferson County in September 2020. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may be excused.